Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am a IT professional with 10 plus years of experience in data and reporting. In this lecture, we will see how to get data from web. For this tutorial purpose, I will show the steps on how to get data from Wikipedia. To do that, go to PowerBI desktop application, go to get data, and from there choose web. Click on that and you will get an option to put a URL. So for that I will take you a wiki page over here which I have already opened, and I will provide this link in the description so that you can refer it for your learning purposes. Just remember one thing, you can choose any wiki link or any website link which you feel that it is useful for you. And another point, remember that the page should have some tabular data format. So right now you can see this is one table. If you scroll down, you can see here is another table. These are the small tables available. There are other several tables also available in this particular page. This was the reason why I chose this particular page to demonstrate this part of the tutorial. So I have to copy this link first. Go to PowerBI desktop, put this link over here and click on OK. Once you click on it, it will first establish the connection to the web, and once it is done, it will show all the tables available in that particular link. So right now you can see these many tables are available, and one point to remember over here is, since these many tables are available, it does not mean that all the tables will have the data. There will be some tables which will not have any data as well. So you will have to browse through these tables once. If you click on this table, see there is only these comments is available. This is the small table. This is the table which is a like international sports event held in India. If you want to choose this one, I will just click on this text. I will click on this checkbox. Maybe I will try to import some few more tables. Like this is national team. I will click on this. Maybe I will choose this table as well, and any other table which you find that useful for you, you can choose those tables as well. Once you have selected all the tables, click on load. No need to click on transform data because we are not going to transform any data before loading it. We will do the transform operations if it is required, that is only after loading the data. So now we will click on load. It might take some time based on the data size from the source and the connection which is going to take to establish it between source and the destination. The source is web and the destination is PowerBI desktop application. So now you can see the data has loaded, and I have selected these three tables and I can see all are loaded. If you want to see the data in detailed format, you can go to the table view, click on a particular table, and you can see the detailed data for that particular table. Now you can see that column headers are coming as a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, which is not the actual column name, right? So here what is happening? So sometimes this issue happens when you are importing any data from web services or from web. In that case, you will have to modify few things over here. So if you see properly, the first row is not the actual column. If you see the second row, which is the actual column header, this is a sports type, sports, the event name, year and date when it has happened, and the venue. Okay. So if you look to the other tables also, you will see the same case. This is column 1, column 2. The second row is the actual column, but if you see the previous table, the second row is showing as a actual column headers. And if you come to this another table, you can see again the first row is the actual column. So what is the solution for this? You will have to go to transform data from the home tab and go to transform data. From there, click on this particular table, select this first row from this table because this is unnecessary. Go to remove rows. You can select this remove top rows, and once you click on that, you will get this pop-up option, number of rows you want to delete from the top. So right now I want to delete only one, the first row. I will click on OK, and the first rows are deleted now. So now you can see the second row became the first row, and now I will have to make this row as a header for this particular table. If I go to the transform section over here, from there you will get an option use first row as headers. I can click on that, and you can see the column has renamed based on the first row. We can come to the other table as well, and we can do the same thing, because here the first row we want to make it as a header, so we don't need to delete any rows from here. You can just click on this, use first row as headers. The first row will become the header for this particular table, and same for the other table as well. Now come to home, click on close and apply, and it will take some time to load it. Once it is loaded, you can see all the table headers are renamed. So this is the solution for data which you are loading from the web, and you might need to take care these things separately after loading the data. So that was all about this lecture. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.